Здравствуйте, ребята! Today we'll be talking about numbers in Russian, or числа. The first bunch are easy. 0 is 0. 1, 1. 2, 2. 3, 3. 4, 4. 5, 5. 6, 6. 7, 7. 8, 8. 9, 10, 10. Those are the easy ones. Those are the ones we've talked about since the beginning of the year. Next are the teens. Remember that the teen suffix in Russian is nadsat, and unlike English, the suffix stays with all of the numbers from 11 through 19. So we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19. Whew, all those teens. So let's try it one more time. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. Notice the placement of the myaky znak. Myaky znak is at the end of the word for all of the teens. And you see where that nadsat suffix is highlighted in red. Nadsat through all of these words is the ending of these words. So the next set that we have are the tens. Starting with 20, we have 20, 30 is 30, 40 is 40, 50 is 50, 60 is 60, 70 is 70, 80 is 80, and 90 is 90. So we have 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80 and 90. Notice that I've highlighted in red where you can see the tie to the root. Dva as in 20 is 20, 3 as in 30, 30, 50 for 50, 60 for 60, 70 for 70, 80 for 80, and 90 for 90. Now 40 is really kind of an odd duck, as is 90 because it doesn't follow the same ending pattern. But it's just two things that you have to kind of remember. Now if we combine numbers, the same rules apply as they do in English. We combine by adding the larger number plus the individual digit. So 28 in Russian is 28. So it would be 20 plus 8, 28. 34 would be 34. So 30, 30 plus 4, 4. So let's grab a piece of paper and pen, and you try to figure out what these numbers would be in digits. What I want you to do is write down the number, and we'll go over it in class. And you can pause the video if you need a moment to think about your answer. So how would you write 18 as a digit? 18. Number 2, 26. Number 3, 45. Number 4, 39. Number 5, 57. Number 6, 73. How about number 7, 81. Number 8, 62. Number 9, 99. And number 10, 14. Write those down so we can go over the answers in class. Спасибо, ребята, and I'll see you soon.